Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a crucial topic for anyone who cares about security. How to hash your password using Bcrypt in Python. Whether you are a developer or just someone who wants to learn more about protecting your data, this tutorial is for you. Before we jump into the code, let's quickly talk about what Bcrypt is and why it's important. Bcrypt is a popular and secure hashing algorithm designed specifically for password hashing. Unlike basic hashing functions, Bcrypt includes a built-in salt to protect against rainbow table attacks and is computationally intensive to defend against brute force attacks. Alright, now that we know why Bcrypt is awesome, let's get started with the actual implementation. First thing first, we need to install Bcrypt library. Open your terminal and type the following command: pip install Bcrypt. Okay, after doing this step, this will install the Bcrypt library, which provides us with the necessary functions to hash and verify passwords. Next, let's write our Python script. Open your favorite code editor and start a new Python file. We will begin by importing the Bcrypt library. Import space Bcrypt. Now let's define the plain text password we want to hash. Plain text password is equal to your password here. The next step is to generate a salt. A salt is a random value added to the password before hashing it to ensure that the same password doesn't always produce same hash. Salt is equal to bcrypt dot gensalt. With the salt generated, we can now hash our password. Hashed password is equal to bcrypt dot hash pw plain text password dot encode comma salt. Finally, let's print the hashed password to see the result. Print hashed underscore password dot decode. Save your script and run it from the terminal to see the hashed password. So this is the folder where I saved my script. In the address bar of the file explorer, enter cmd and press enter. And enter the following command in the terminal: python space bcrypt bcrypt.py and press enter. See, now we got our hashed password. And there you have it. Your password is now securely hashed with Bcrypt. This hash can be safely stored in your database. To verify a password later, you can use the bcrypt.checkpw function to compare the plain text password with the stored hash. It is simple yet powerful way to enhance your application security. Remember, always hash passwords before storing them and never attempt to decode hashed passwords. Security is all about best practices, and using Bcrypt is a great step in the right direction. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more programming and security tips. See you in the next video. This is Smart Dev Coder signing off.